will and perish. Still on the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies up to head in the door. Coming, make your jumps and take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your pack.
Are you ready? Yeah. All right. Timers, you will start as soon as he hits that board. Gentlemen, when you walk out, please keep your knife in the sheath or bag until you're ready. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Are you out there watching? Watch what he's doing. You'll see different techniques. You'll see different knife styles, blade styles, but they're all going to be the style of a Bowie knife because we're at the home of the Bowie knife. At 30 seconds, cut them off. He's going at it. He's going at it as hard as you can. And you can direct, you can get scorch injuries. Time. Okay. All right. Now he's going to cut the rope. All right. Move on to the shotgun shell. Now you can move that shell if you need to a little bit. All right. He's going at it. And that's why he was last chosen for the baseball team.
That's it.
Okay, that's it. Okay, yep. Okay. Now he's going for the Gatorade bottle. Gatorade bottles are a lot thicker than water bottles. I've seen them actually stop a guy's cut.
Oh, dear.
Woo! Okay. It's 12 points, gentlemen, if you can cut that Gatorade bottle. You folks out there watching, you won't see this done a lot. There are some very difficult cuts.
We will and perish. Still